When creating a glowing base, it is very important to hydrate the skin. First, I use a serum to hydrate the skin on a deeper level. Then, I apply a moisturizer and really massage it into the skin. I use a hydrating facial spray to get the dewy feeling on the skin. After that, I apply 1 to 2 pumps of the base primer. This all-natural organic primer helps boost the skin and creates a natural glow. It is great for all skin types and sensitive skin. Then I mix 1 pump of the base foundation, shade Rebellious, with a small amount of moisturizer, and I apply it all over the face with my fingers. I quickly work the foundation into the skin. It has a matte finish, but you can create a glowing base by combining it with other products. You can, for example, mix it with a hydrating serum and your moisturizer. The base foundation lasts up to 72 hours and is both waterproof and sweat resistant, making it the perfect base for everyday use. Then I use the base foundation in the shade Confident as a concealer. I use a small damp makeup sponge to apply directly underneath her eyes for a fresh look. When applying a second layer of the base, it is very important to be light on the hand. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to create a glowy finish with the base foundation. For extra glow, I recommend spraying your face with a hydrating facial mist. Comment below if you have any questions. Good luck!